Hello friend, as you have seen the thumbnail, today I am going to talk about unlocking for any Android phone like Oppo, Realme, Vivo, Samsung, Xiaomi, any type of Android phone, any model of any Android phone. You can unlock your Android phone within minutes with a very simple text. If you are also thinking that the pin pattern, finger, face lock, phone should be unlocked somehow, then this video will prove to be very effective for you. So you have to do nothing. I am telling you this in some simple steps. You have to follow with me, and you can remove the pin pattern lock sitting at home. So get ready to unlock your phone. First, put your phone in flight mode. Make sure your handset must be in flight mode because this is offline method and your battery percentage must be in 40 to 50%. So after that, phone must be in minimum 40 to 50%. Let's get a start. You can see at the bottom of the mobile interface, you will be able to see that emergency calls option is given, and this phone is locked through the pin. You have to press on it. After this, I am going to tell you some code which is secret code and which is we call master unlocking code in the matter of service center. You can also note down it or you can also take a screenshot of it. None of your application and any data will be deleted through these tricks, and your phone will also be unlocked. So friend, you have to pay lots of attention at the time of this process. So friend, watch this video till the end without a skip. Apply this code, and this code is a star hash 23955. One number is missing. 23955 1678 1678. Again one number is missing. A star has, again I am dialing 23955 1678 a star 550 550. So now it's completed. Now you have to press hash. I'm going to zoom. This code is not a longer. If you want to take a screenshot, please take a screenshot. If you want to note down, please note down. There are so many comments in my comment section. You are using finger on backside, so you can able to see there is no finger lock is there on backside. So now you have to call on it on this number. This if you get one pop-up message, ignore this pop-up message and erase this number, and you have to dial a star hash 899 and hash. Now you can able to see engineer mode page is activated on your screen. Before I am going to take a step, I am going to share you some unlocking for some important thing with you. If your phone is not unlocked by this process, please tell us in the comment section which handset is yours and which model is it, because the code which I am going to share you for unlocking process may support in many handsets and may not support in many handsets. So first check your software version. So my software version is 12, Android version is 12. So I'm going to press at 12 tab. If your Android version is 8, 9, 10, whatever it is, press the same on your this number on this code. So I am going to again taking next step, and this is manual test. After that, you can see device debugging page. Click on it, sensor self test calibration, and confirm here on the same time without any delay. Without any delay, you have to press on the both option, gyroscope and accelerometer. Both option is not operated. You have to operate here. One you have to pass. Apply this code. Apply this method. Sorry, 4 to 5 times you have to apply here, and you will get passed on on any one. Otherwise gyroscope. Otherwise accelerometer. Again we have to apply till passed option. So gyroscope accelerometer. Now finally gyroscope is passed, my dear friend. Now I'm going to back, and for the next step, and this is the most important step. After swiping the last step, you can able to see others option is coming. So whatever you press on Android version, as per your Android version, because my Android version was 12, so I'm going to press here 12 because my Android version was 12. So whatever your Android version or mainboard version, whatever it is, you have to press on the same, and after that you have to click on the right important cloud test and confirm here, and you can able to see wrong password. It means your password is reset now. You can check through the key status. You can check through the key status, and you can able to see, and you can able to see key status passed. HDFC HDCP key is not supported because this is not supported in handset. After completing the whole process, now it's done. After completing all the process that our phone is unlocked or not. Otherwise, let's press the home button. And as you can see, my dear friend, our phone is unlocked without loss of any data or application, without any help of service center, and you can unlock your phone sitting at home within a minute. I hope you guys you like this video. Subscribe our channel, like and share.